So, hello guys, and welcome back to another class with me, your teacher. I'm Denny, so nice to meet you. And as you can see on the screen, today we're going to talk a little bit about the fruits. So, let's start. And okay, to start, let's do a short activity. So in this, we have to find the pair of each fruit. So here you are going to say, teacher, I want to open the first one. And maybe the third one of the third column. So I'm going to open the third one. Oh, you found an orange. So congratulations, and so on until we find all the fruits that are here. So moving on to the next slide, we have that before after we do that short activity, short warm up, we are going to watch a video about the fruits. So let's click on here. So the fruits, they describe a little bit about the fruits. As you can see, with the pronunciation for you to watch it and to pronounce after the voice. So for example, in here we have shared a small image with some fruits to review a little bit about the topic. So we have the image of each fruit and the word in English and in Spanish, of course. But we are going to watch the word in English and we are going to pronounce them. So we have the first one that is apple. So you are going to say apple and repeat it again, apple. And then we have banana. And you are going to say it and repeat it until you can say it naturally and you sound better, like banana. Then we have cherries, grapes, lemon, orange, and so on. So you here you have the image with the word for you to practice and pronounce it, to learn the names of each fruit. Why? Because here we have a quiz, a short activity, and here we have to watch the video and answer the questions that appear. So, for example, we have here, let's click on here. So, for example, we have it's charging, let's so as we can see, the little boy described to us that fruit. So you are going to hear it, you can listen to it again, and then you can answer what fruit is that. You can type on the chat, you can open here and you can write maybe, I think, for example, I think it's orange maybe, and you can write down orange. And then uh, when you write it and send it, you can continue with the next one. It's an orange. And you can continue with the next. And so on. It is like the same that we did about the orange. So you are going to listen the description, like the color or the shape, everything that the little boy mentioned, and you are going to write down what is the fruit that you think that the boy is talking, okay? Until we finish the whole video, okay? And then we are going to continue with another activity, but it's more like about creativity. So in here, we are going to draw and write the name of your favorite fruit. So here we have the instruction. If you need them, you can click on the image and watch it. And it says, what is your favorite fruit? Draw it and write its name in English. So you are going to think, maybe I'm going to draw an apple, I don't know. And here you have the pencil and so on that you can use in your the digital board to draw it. For example, I'm going to draw an apple. And you are going to draw it. Okay, it's an apple. Maybe. You are going to draw it beautiful, pretty, or and then you are going to, if you want to write down the name like with a pencil, like for example, apple, you can do it. But if you want to add a text that says the name, it's easy, like this, you can do it, okay? Feel free to do it, and then you can move it, and so on, okay? And then when you finish that activity, when all finish that activity, we well, we have a short question that because I want to know if you like the activity or no to make the next activities taking into account your opinion, of course. So you are going to answer yes, I like the activity, or no, maybe teacher change that, and then we finish with our lesson of the day. So thank you for your attention and thanks for being here. So see you in the next lesson. Bye.